Chest number 18.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Good morning,
Where
sir.
are you coming from?
Sir, I am coming from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh.
Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. All right. Why is Bareilly called Bareilly?
Sir, it is named after Baba, I think, whose name is.
Okay, very nice. Tell me two very interesting sweets which are made in Bareilly.
So first of all, it is the very famous barfi, which is very famous in Bareilly.
Come this way. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Walk along with me. Yeah.
Yes,
so
sir.
there's the barfi, and what else?
And sir, we also have some great gulab jamuns and many more things.
Okay, many more also. Very nice. Have you eaten some of them?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll make you a commander. Would you like to be a commander?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here is your task. All right. Go and fetch a plank, 2 ropes. All right. I'll call you commander from now on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here is your task. You have firstly your helping materials. There are 2 ropes, a plank and a balli. And you can see this is the start line. All right.
Yes, sir.
Almost close to the start line, you have 2 crosses, and then there's a rod which can rotate. All right. There's a rod over here which can rotate. All right. Over here you can see there's a 4-legged structure. All right. And beyond you can see we have. Are you able to see?
Yes,
we
sir.
have 2 crosses and a H-shaped structure, and out here there's a 4-legged structure with a bracket which is joining the 2. All right.
Yes, sir.
All your platforms are blue in color. Now you, along with your subordinates and helping material, have to cross over to the finish line. All right.
Yes, sir.
So have you understood the task?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Time given 15 minutes. Whom would you like to call as your subordinate?
Sir, I would like to call chest number 12 and chest number 22.
12 and 22. Wait for them to come, then you can begin the task.
Yes, sir. Chest number 12, chest number 22.
Commander, I'd like to hear your voice so that whenever you're doing any talking, it comes clear to me.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Okay. So, gentlemen, we have been assigned this task. We are going to start from this white line, which is the starting line, and we are going to go there, which is the finish line. So, we have 2 obstacles in front of us. We have to clear those and get to the finish line. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, chest number 22, we are going to that obstacle by using manpower. Yes, so chest number 12, please put your weight here. Chest number 22, and I will go to the next platform. Chest number 12, please pass me the plank. Chest number 22, yes, sir. Put the plank right here, horizontally. Remove the plank first. Okay. Now put the plank between the bar and behind the rope, below the rope. Below the rope. Yeah, put it on this side. Okay, so.
Alright, moment you started working, Commander.
Yes, sir.
What happened? This bar became red in color. This rotating bar.
Yes, sir.
It suddenly become red in color.
Yes, sir.
Continue.
Yes, so. Remove the plank. Chest number 12, pass
In
me the rope.
addition, Commander, what happened? 2 minutes of your task time.
Yes, sir.
It's over.
Okay, sir.
2 minutes are over.
Yes, sir.
Let me remind you, Commander, this bar which is rotating has
Yes,
become
sir.
red in color.
So now, chest number 22.
Yes, sir.
Put the plank above the rope and behind and below the rope from this side. I think it
Continue
would work.
ahead, Commander.
Yes, sir.
Is it stable?
Yes, sir. It is very stable.
Okay.
So, chest number 22, give me your hand. So now, use Put the plank below the wrist, below this rope and above that rope, and help chest number 12 to come forward. Yeah, give him hand support. Now use the same mechanism
Moment
and
they
come
reach
forward.
there, you know what? Now the entire cross has become red in color, and you're over here, they're over there. Try to make the best of the task and complete it. So these
Yes,
two
sir.
crosses have become red.
Okay, sir. Chest number 22, pass me the plank. And
So
also
tell me,
untie the
Commander,
rope.
what are you going to do?
Yes, sir.
What are you going to do?
Sir, I'm going to use some mechanism so that they can come here safely
Alright.
from there. Chest number 22, pass me the rope.
Yes, sir.
Which is a better thing to use rather than a rope over here? Which is a better thing to use?
Yes, sir. We can also use a balli.
Yeah. So, what does your logic tell you?
Sir, I should use rope. I mean, sir, it
Which
can
will
also
be
use
a
a balli.
faster method to do? Faster
Sir, a
thing
balli
to
would
do?
be a faster method.
Yeah. Try to make the best of your time. But now, you know, Commander, 5 minutes are already over.
Yes,
Please
sir.
work fast. Somewhere your subordinates are looking very frustrated.
Yes, sir.
Wouldn't you like to call them? They're feeling wasted over there.
Yes, sir.
They don't like you working alone.
So, chest number 12, chest number 22, please come forward.
Yeah, how will they?
Sir, so I'm going to make a mechanism so that they
Do
can come here.
something quickly, Commander.
Okay, so I think the rope is the faster one, because if I use the balli, it will require rope to connect.
But now what happened? Your rope is misbehaving, you know.
Okay,
So
sir.
what you do is you can place the rope somewhere and use
Chest number
something
12,
else.
pass me the balli.
Yeah, that's quite logical and workable.
Yes, sir.
Continue working ahead. But your time is running out, Commander.
Yes, sir. Chest
Keep
number
track
12.
of your time. Your resources are rolling forward. Continue, continue. Unless you call your people, things will keep rolling here and there.
Okay. Chest number 12, please come. Chest number 22, you also.
Moment 22 was coming.
Yes, sir.
One of these, leg-like structures,
Yes, sir.
it's become completely blue. You can continue from any other axis or approach you want.
Sir, this one.
This one leg has become blue.
Okay, sir. So, chest number 12, put the plank here. Chest number 22, tie the rope from here.
That's not
and
a
chest number
stable
12.
idea, Commander.
Yes, sir.
It's not a stable idea.
Sir, if
Any
I tie
other
with the
place
rope.
you can work from?
Yes, sir.
Any other place you can work from?
Sir,
Half your time is over, Commander. Half your time is over.
sir, I can use this bar there.
As I was asking you, any other place you can work from? Rather than this place, any other place?
Sir, we can use this obstacle also.
Yeah, so that's available to you.
So, should I go directly there or make mechanism
It's
here?
all your choice. You're the commander.
So, I think we should go here.
3 minutes left, Commander.
Chest number 12 and
Continue
22,
working.
please come here also. Only 12 come here. 22, you stay there. Put the plank here and this.
I guess
Yeah.
the plank is a bit too high for anyone to climb on.
Yes, sir. Going from here and I can just tie the. Yes. Chest number 2012. Tie the rope.
The countdown has started. You have
Chest number 12.
2 minutes left,
Please hurry
Commander.
if you can.
You have 2 minutes left.
Take it easy. Take it easy. It's not stable. Just tie this and this.
So which is a better place to keep your plank?
Sir, above the bar. But
Now it's going high. So what do? Yeah. You can do something better from there. What is a better thing to do?
Yes, sir.
Now you have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. The countdown is going on.
Yes, sir.
1 minute and 15 seconds left. Oh, that is coming up.
Sorry. Okay. So we need to also tie the plank, balli. Okay. Just number 12, tie it from here. I think it's good.
Will the rope hold?
No, sir.
1 minute left. 55 seconds. 5
I'll tie
0
this rope.
4 5
I mean, let me.
4 0 3 5
I think it will last.
3 3 3 2 3 1. Commander, the clock is about to strike.
Tie it properly.
Two 5.
Yes. Just tie it normally and it will work.
Would you like some ideas from your subordinates?
Just number 12, do you have any other suggestion?
Are you taking ideas from your subordinates?
No, sir, I'm just listening to their ideas and I'm going to implement it myself.
Taking a suggestion, no?
Yes, sir.
You would like to take a suggestion. All right,
Yes, sir, but-
continue. All right, Commander, you have reached the finish line, but what about others?
Yes, sir, they were also going to come. Chest number 22, please come here.
Exactly 15 seconds left. 1
Chest number 22, please come here forward.
1 3
First,
1 2
just take it easy.
10,
Chest number 12, tie the rope properly.
9 8
Okay, sir. So just give me the plank.
7 6
Untie the rope fast.
5
Pass the
4,
rope and balli.
3
Come.
2 1. All right, Commander.
Yes, sir.
Good, well done. Seem to have completed the task. Now
Yes.
what are you going to do? Your helping material is here, your subordinates are here. What after you complete the task?
Sir, I have completed my task. Now I can.
Anything else after this?
No, sir.
Nothing else?
Nothing else.
What about the helping material you lifted from the start line?
Yes, sir.
Would you not like to keep it back?
Yes, sir. I will
Okay,
keep it back.
good, well done. In any case, keep your helping material back. Go and join your group. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
I think it would be a good idea to thank your subordinates also.
Yes, sir.
Keep it back over there.
Thank you for your cooperation, chest number 12 and 22.